Well folks, we were just driving along and what do we spy at the side of the road? But what I think is it a Morris commercial? What's that doing sat there? What on earth is this all about? Why has it just been left here to rot? This makes zero sense. Clearly no one is looking after it. But yes, it is an old Morris commercial. Just here in the undergrowth. Maybe at one time it had maybe a magnetic sign on the side advertising. But look at it now. What's it doing here? Just left to rot. So it's a Morris commercial. I don't really want to touch this because there's a lot of pigeon etc. around here. Morris commercial. You can see we're in the undergrowth, so I'm assuming this was a promotional thing. Look at the state of it. It's locked. Perhaps that's a good thing. What is it doing here? Why has it just been left to rot? Like I say, we are not on some quiet backwater here. So what year is this then? Late 1940s perhaps? Could be 1950s. That is a rare little van. A beautiful, beautiful little van. But just being left to go to rack and ruin. What is going on here? It's a tax disc for I think 2015. But clearly being under these trees, populated as they are regularly by the local pigeon community, isn't doing it any favours at all. But what is going on with this beauty? It's just going to fall to pieces, isn't it? Because it's all right now, but it's got like a fabric roof, hasn't it?
Yeah, but I mean bodywork, it's okay.
But it's in a bit of a state, isn't it? What is this? Yeah.
But yeah, there's no rust. Alright, there's a bit of wood or something.
Let's just have a quick peer under here as the bonnet is open. It's a modern engine.
Oh yeah. I noticed the exhaust pipe looked
modern.
So it's maybe a transit.
So it's been re-engined with something or another. But my God, I wonder what this started out life doing.
Maybe it's not worth saving with the not original engine.
Well, it'd still be a usable little truck, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but
you know, the re-engineering is a shame. I'm just trying to look on the roof, so it's got like this sort of almost like shed roof felt. Was that one locked as well? No. It's probably good that it's. I mean, it's not actually rotten, is it? I mean, you've got a bit of. This beading here was originally screwed to a bit of wood frame behind there. Yeah. But it's not actually that bad at all.
It's not even that bad.
It's not actually, is it? Right, so it looks like it's been repanelled. So someone's restored this, re-sheeting all the back end.
Starting there.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's not terrible, that's right, obviously, but it just shows that it's going to go, isn't it?
It's not going to get any better, is it? Wow.
It might be useful for like a promotional thing for someone having a modern engine. If it was running, like a cafe might buy it and convert it to coffee.
It does seem a shame.
It's probably not going to be an enthusiastic because it's got a transit.
Yeah, the wrong engine doesn't help, but it's such a handy size, it's not too big.
Yeah,
actually, that would...
If it gets saved, it'll probably be like a little promotional.
Yeah, it needs sort of grabbing fairly soon, doesn't it, really, before the weather gets to it and all the leaves that come down off the tree,
Next winter.
they get damp and then they stay damp, and that's what rots out the wings and things like that. This has got some proper age to it. So what are we guessing at? Late 40s? Could even be older than that. It could be late 30s even. Just left.
I don't think it's pre-war, is it?
It could just be, or it could be 40s, early 50s.
The headlamps look later.
But yeah,
I'd say it's very late 40s.
what a thing. What a shame. What is going on with this? Answer on a postcard, please.
Wheels are a bit rusty because they're sinking.
Yeah, it's sort of. It's not too bad. This would clean up. A day spent cleaning it would work wonders, I suspect. It's a shame about the engine. Yeah, so we've got.
Yeah, it's a shame.
It's a diesel. Is it diesel?
Yeah, it's just a Ford Transit.
Something like that, isn't it?
Someone's had a go.
Someone's obviously restored this. This was someone's pride and joy at one time, and then someone else has come on and bought it as a promo. Maybe the people behind this, who knows? And this is the result, which seems like a bit of a shame.
Yeah. Some people don't get it though, do they?
No.
They just think cute old truck outside.
Yeah. But yeah, someone has restored this and gone and done a lot of work on it. Yeah, it's just. I see. That's actually just beading, but it's not joining two separate panels. It's just for effect.
Yeah, it's all one thing.
It's just for effect. This is all one
Yeah, it's not a
sheet, isn't it? No, but it's been redone. There you go, folks. What's happening with this? Will the future be good or bad for this lovely old Morris commercial? But something needs to happen to it. If I lived in this neck of the woods, I'd be making a few inquiries about this one because it really needs saving. Being so compact, this really isn't big at all. This would fit in any driveway, and I've got a feeling it'll probably fit in our driveway very, very nicely indeed. Yeah, what a shame to see it here. Like I say, if you know what the backstory is with this, do you know who owned it, or perhaps who restored it several years ago? Yeah, please let me know in the comments. Wonderful old Morris commercial. What does the future hold for this one? Well, time will tell. Yeah, it's a nice thing. It's a very handy size. I'm amazed it's still here. Hasn't been got at or wrecked.